They said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations.
Guys, so today has been such a terrible day. So our AC went out and it's 30 minutes. She had to change, but it's so hot in here, and also it's the weekend, so the parts that we need for our AC won't be in until Monday, I think.
It's 80 degrees in this house.
This house has made it up to like 86 degrees, and my parents, they put like this window AC in, but it's not doing anything. So about 3 hours ago, me and Minnie decided to go into the car. So that was like at 12 something. Right now it is 2:21 a.m. We've been in the car. We just came in to change because we're just like, you know,
We're going to Walmart.
we're going to Walmart, and
No,
we're
we gotta
gonna
work.
we're gonna come back, and we're gonna go back into the car again, and we're like, we can turn this into a video. So we look a mess. We're gonna try to
It's hot.
yeah, it's so hot in here.
And like it's sticky hot.
So that's why we're just gonna take our tails right back to the car where it felt better at. And
It's colder outside than it is in our house.
and it's the
If
summertime.
any of y'all live where I'm well, I think y'all already know where I'm from. We're from North Carolina. If any of y'all know, we are going through some very high temperatures right now.
Yeah, so we're gonna make this a little video, and y'all can stay with us during this very hard time.
Oh, this could be the first episode of our series.
Yeah, because we have a lot of other stuff that we
AC.
record, but we just didn't put them up yet. So this will be edited now so that it can go up
I
tomorrow.
had to make this hairstyle something. This is hard. This is very
But
hard.
we'll be back on the way.
That we broke. Okay, so now we're about to go to 7-Eleven and Walmart to get ready for our sleepover. We're gonna go get Slurpees and we're gonna go to Walmart. We don't know what we're gonna do there.
Walmart, but we like
But-
Walmart. We might get us a freaking fan to put in the car.
I don't know. We already have our stuff set up in the car, so we'll see. So we'll talk to you guys when we get somewhere. Cause oh my gosh, you're driving so horrible
Girl,
out the freaking driveway. I can't even.
girl, I probably hit a cat. Oh, you know what?
I'm tired of them cats.
I know, just looking at me like you're not in my yard.
We don't own any cats, by the way. They just are here. Our neighbors cannot take care of their fucking animals. I'm about to call animal control. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm so annoyed. You can tell my cheeks are like flushed from how hot it is.
We're at Walmart, guys. We look a freaking mess, but
I couldn't do anything with it. It's because the humidity in my air-conditioned house.
it's funny.
Is-
Everybody else is at our house just
Walmart feeling a little
in the
hot
heat,
too.
and we in here. We just in here like swimwear with the AC in the car.
It's feeling a little hot in Walmart too, or is that just me?
Hey, it's better than that house. Oh, it was so hot in there,
Is this
y'all.
fingernail polish? Yes, it says meet your match. Girl, bye. Y'all skip like 50 million colors. Y'all got like 4 shades for black girls. Fuck out of here. Fine, gray shade.
Hey.
It's like this. Look at my hair.
Okay, so another fun fact is we like to play spades. So
Gosh, please add us on spades.
tonight our spades has been off the chain.
No, it's really just been hilarious and pitiful.
Yeah, we was on the winning team. Ooh, look at this. This is body wash.
They don't have the original kind. And that
Hold on, what is this? Is this supposed to be you just spray and it clean you without taking a freaking shower? If that's what it is, this can go back on the shelf.
Let me see. We're gonna read the directions.
I would love to
shake well, press for lather, shower, and rinse off easily. Also suitable for shaving. I don't know what this is for. Let's go back here so we can open it, y'all.
And if they have original, I'm getting it. I don't care.
This smells like
That'll be a
These
fast,
look like
easy shower.
boys. And I don't think you're supposed to use a.
But look, you just spray it on yourself and it cleans you in the shower.
Look how it's sprayed. I don't think you're supposed to use a washcloth with this. Look. Show them. Oh, maybe you do. Let's put
That's
it back now.
cool. I'll just spray it all over myself. Well, not all over myself, but you know, that's cool. Another fun fact is we love Dove and we love Original Dove because Original Dove smells stronger than all the other Doves, and we would know because we had them. What are you doing?
I'm getting me a razor. Is this the vanilla kind? This looks vanilla-y. Do I need shaving cream? No.
Oh, sorry.
What else do I need? Oh, I need Nair. These people is really acting up, stealing all the Nair for the summer.
Y'all, what am I gonna buy? I wish this was the mall. If the mall was open at all times of the night, I would just go crazy. All right, so we're about to check out.
It's so triangular.
Walmart's actually like, it's not super busy, but there's like a lot of people in here. Just by standing at the front, people's just like up here. But we will get back to y'all when we get to 7-Eleven. We're at 7-Eleven. 7 twice to get our milkshakes. Not our milkshakes, our freaking Slurpees, slushies, whatever.
Ingles has these and they're marketing it as new, and these are not new.
Girl, bye.
They've never been new. No. And the whole thing it says new. I'm like, those are not new. They're so old.
Actually, they're new to 7. They're probably just new items to them. We count them for you.
But,
How does it come up here and go, oh my God, I remember when I was young, this was my favorite treat.
they don't really have any good slushy flavors, but I see the girl who was listening to, I was there for you. Wouldn't nobody care about you? They don't really have any good flavors.
What flavor is this?
It's not done. It's nothing.
Yeah, this is done. These two are done.
It say currently chilling. Please try another flavor.
Oh. So all they got is blue?
Yeah,
I don't want just
me
blue.
either.
And I don't want Coca-Cola.
We might be getting something else, guys. I just know I want to buy something, but I know by us being in the car, shouldn't probably get any drink, but what is there to get
Man, why do I going to the gym?
for 2 days?
Y'all, look at my cone head. You ever seen the movie Coneheads? That's what my hair reminds me of right now.
Here. There's pizzas in a bag.
That's jerky.
Pizza in a bag. It says pizza.
We should do a jerky try.
The pizza in the bag.
No, where we just pick out a bunch of different random jerkies and we try them all. Or that chicken sandwich thing.
You know that'll irritate my teeth.
Or the chicken sandwich thing. Do you know what I'm talking about? You get the different chicken sandwiches from all the different. They don't have my slushy. I don't want anything.
This was a failed mission, guys. Y'all don't have any good slushy flavors. And that's what we came for.
I would say stay away from the sour that I
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You too. Ugh.
To the Batmobile. Vroom. This is really a Batmobile with Liza's horrible driving.
Girl, shut up. You are a bad driver. You are worse than Niche.
Ah! Okay, so now we're really disrespecting each other. Okay, y'all. My mom
That's
texts and drives. She Facebook and drives. She
FaceTimes
smokes
and
and drives. she drives on the other side of the road and then gets mad when you tell her, you know, hey, you're on the other side of the road. No, you don't know how to drive. I've been driving for 30 years.
Watch YouTube and drive. Watch Facebook and drive.
Not watch your child and
Left
drive.
that light. Event parking. What event is it, man?
It's probably old. I'm ready for the fair to come back. What are we supposed to do? We did not get nothing.
I know, y'all. We're sorry, but this is the car. This is the car vlog anyway. So as long as we're in the car, I guess.
Now we're going back
To the
to
car.
really get our sleep on.
Yeah.
Try to get our sleep on.
So the next time.
Can we freeze ourselves before we get out the car?
The next time set up.
This is so great.
We're just in the front seat, just like, you know, kicking it back, and you know, nobody has.
Don't fall.
Nobody's just.
Okay.
That was sitting up at first, but now it doesn't want to sit up. But this is how we're sitting. We're watching Supernatural. We just got back in the car, so.
This
We're
is
gonna-
the drop cord.
Oh yeah, we have a drop cord right from the outside of our house.
They said we're not supposed to do this, but I don't see what's wrong with it. I guess we'll find out tonight.
Yeah, so we're just.
Oh, I have this Gatorade bottle full of tea for Jake.
We had the sunroof and everything open, but it feels more cool than it does. And we had the windows cracked too, so we'll crack them back since we're back in here again. And yeah, y'all will see us in the. Well, we don't know if we're gonna make it until the morning, but y'all will see us whenever we
Get out.
get out.
I don't know. We could have slept with the freaking car on, but you know, these cars get to acting crazy if you sit 15 minutes without driving them.
Yeah, the push start would just cut it off. Yeah.
And the
So-
alarms start going off.
Yeah, we can end off going to sleep, but we'll wake up with the car off. So, yeah, I guess it really don't matter what we do.
No, we're going to wake up to an alarm.
Yeah,
Well, I don't know how her car is, but you know, mine be acting up.
yeah.
It got anger issues. It do.
Okay, guys, we're going to finish watching Supernatural. This should be so relaxing.
Where are my chips?
In the back seat, we have blankets and our charger and chips. And I had cheese. And I had tea,
need
but I
ice.
drunk it. And
We
What's
need
relaxing?
ice. I need to eat ice. The ice is really like what's going to draw me out of this car. I need ice.
Go get you some ice.
No, because then the parents are going to be acting crazy.
Yeah.
Trying to get me to take their nugget.
Ew.
Not like that. You know who I'm talking about. I'm talking about J-Lo.
J-Lo. I know. But yeah, guys, we're about to Supernatural it up. I have to work tomorrow at 2:30. I have to work at 2:30 tomorrow.
I had to work at 1:45.
So, oh my gosh, my watch isn't on my charger. So I'm gonna have to wake up a little.
Watching.
So I'm gonna have to wake up a little earlier to go put it in the house on the charger.
I'm hoping to get out of here by like 12 and go into a cooler house and sleep in a bed.
Mm-hmm. But I'm just scared of Meanie leaving me out here by myself.
I'm not gonna fucking leave you.
Fuck you. What? Oh, you dumb.
We're talking about getting out of here at 12. We're gonna be right out there at 8 o'clock
I
when
know.
Duke them get here and wake us up.
But at least we'll know that we passed this challenge. So do y'all think we can handle it? Put it in the comments below before you finish the video.
Give us a thumb up and comment another 24-hour challenge.
Yeah,
You
but
don't
this,
do
it'll
nothing
actually be 24 hours. This, y'all just really didn't get to see all of this, but we was in a car. And
I
we was
would love
like,
to do something crazy, but I don't know if I
let's
have
do
the guts,
this.
you know?
Yeah.
Like, spend a night in one of those stores after they close. No, I'll die.
Y'all, and it's only what time? When we started this, it was like 2 something, and it's only 3:13 now. So going to Walmart and 7-Eleven, that did not kill any time at all. But we were still in a car. Wait, yeah. We told our parents, whoa.
See? This is what I'm talking about. These cars get to acting crazy.
Well, we told the parents that we were going to come. Okay, you can't see me, but We told the parents.
What the fuck? Okay, I'm not doing this with this bullshit.
Hold on, we're gonna start it up for this. Ugh. Where's the button at? There go our lights. Okay.
Ooh,
So, yeah.
since the car has started, we about to crank this AC up.
And turn the
Come
lights
on.
off.
Oh yes, I'm feeling this now.
Hey, hey, hey.
No, I'm feeling this for sleep. Okay, back to what I was saying. I don't know what I was saying. We'll just see y'all when we get up.
Yeah, we're gonna watch some
I have
Supernatural.
an eyelash in my eye.
Girl, bye. Should we play another round of spades before we watch Supernatural?
Y'all want to hear us play spades? We'll skip through it because we be saying some good shit. We do. We be taking care of our kids in spades.
Yeah. So we're about to do that. Hold on. We'll have to clip that in from off the laptop because on my phone. It's the next day and I'm at work. We ended up leaving the car at like almost 7 o'clock in the morning. We just couldn't sleep. And we ended up just talking about a whole bunch of junk. So I'm just gonna go ahead and close out this video just so that we can get it posted now. If you like this video and you want more that we can probably go through with without our air being messed up, like, comment, share, and subscribe.
They're coming off the bench while I'm coming off the court fully drenched. Make up from Haterade, get the thirst quench. Style doing them in this bird very trench. These birds copy every word, every inch. Gang got the hammer in the ring, hammer in the ring, hammer in the ring.